Here we are down the Docklands. Got the trolley. I haven't been down here for so long. Everything's changed. Have a look down here. See where Jake is. Him down there. I think it might be. Look at this junk. Unbelievable. There he is. Got people asking questions already, which is good. Alright, we'll see you when we start. Okay, as you can see, we're at Marvel Stadium. It's at the docks at the side of it. It's a beautiful day, and this is what we picked out. All this Rio, it's big stuff. The size of that, pretty big. Got shopping trolley and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these gates or temporary fencing, and whatever that is there, not sure. There's a looks like a basket off a bike. So yeah, and I lost a magnet. So that's the bad thing for the day. I lost the magnet in here. It just happened to be the new Magnetar hardcore magnet. So no good. I'll have to buy another one. But I'll buy a beast this time, I think. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.